Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Catty Cat. Hi, Miss Catty Cat. Say hi. Y'all, I got friend mail. Technically I think this is Valentine's Day mail. A little late, but who cares? I'm excited. Y'all, this came from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. And I slid it open so I could figure out what it was. But yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Y'all are so sweet. Happy Valentine's Day. Cheryl's cookie. Is a cookie in here? Oh, there's a cookie in here. Oh my goodness. I'm in a debate. Do I open the card or do I eat the cookie? Oh, I'll be good. Let's look at the card first, all right? So here is the card. Look at the cuteness. Oh my goodness. So cute. Girl power. Yes. All right, let me slice this card open. Hang on. Happy Heart Day. Gina, happy Valentine's Day. Wish you nothing but lots of love this Valentine's Day. Hope you do something fun with the ones you love. Sending lots of love and this magnetic bookmark to show you some love. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We also love doing collabs with you. They are so much fun. Have a wicked awesome Valentine's Day. XOXO, Sherry and Erica of Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Is that not just sweet? Look how pretty her handwriting is. Oh my goodness. Look at this bookmark, y'all. Look how adorable it is. So they're magnetic. And you just flop it over your page and it holds it for you. I love these things. Because I'm one of those weird people who doesn't want to like bend the pages over. I have to have some sort of bookmark. And yes, I still do read the paper books. So this is just super cute. Adorable. It says Happy Valentine's Day. So cute. To Gina from Erica and Sherry. Y'all, thank you so much. Y'all are so sweet. Oh, so sweet. I just love you to death. And did we address the cuteness of the bubble bag? Yes, cuteness. All right, now we're gonna look at this cookie. Cookie. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. It's a buttercream frosted cutout cookie. This is heaven for me. Oh my goodness. It's in the shape of a heart, y'all, from Cheryl's Cookies. This is brilliant. Y'all, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I will put a card above so y'all can go check out Wicked Awesome Lifestyles if you haven't already. They are such a fun bunch of girls. I think they're Boston girls. So yes, I love them to death. They're so sweet. Y'all, check them out. Link below, card above. Thanks for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day and God bless.